Question number 4. This is going to show us another unique type of association. So, Holly created the scatter plot shown at the right for the girls in her class. Describe the association. What do you suppose is the correlation coefficient? So we can see on our x-axis scores on Chapter 5 test, and on the y-axis is height. So what do you suppose the correlation coefficient is? I'm going to say it's approximately r equals 0. And why do you think that? Well, I can see that I have a very, very scattered graph, and there doesn't seem to be any general trend whatsoever. And if we look more closely and we take a look at that, that makes sense, because your height does not really have any type of correlation or any effect on the score you're going to get on the test. So question B, use your R value from part A to find R squared and use it to describe the variability in the linear association between the height of the girls in Holly's class and their score on the chapter tests. So if R equals 0, and we want to find what the variability is, we're going to square it. What we do to one side, we do the other side. So then R squared is going to equal 0 times 0 is 0, which then as we put that as a percent is 0%. So let's use our sentence that we've been using. So 0% of variability of scores on the Chapter 5 test can be explained by a linear relationship with height. And like I said, that makes sense. I do not believe any of the scores on the last test have any correlation with how tall you are. Question C, draw the line of best fit in the graph. What does the line of best fit represent? So to draw a line of best fit, I'm just going to draw it straight across because I don't really know how else to draw or how else to fit the data. So this line of best fit actually just represents the average. Since it's right in the middle. And question D, Holly calculated the average height of the girls in the class to be approximately 162. What is the equation of the line of best fit? So does that line of best fit have any slope to it? No, it does not. So my slope is going to be, or my equation is going to be y equals 0x, and then my average is 162, so plus 162, which then I can just say is y equals 162. And that will be my equation of the line of best fit. So that number right here is like 162. All right, so we have finished videos today. Once again, make sure you catch up on any videos you're behind on, or go ahead and start the homework.